to show you around.
Yeah.
Let's have a look, shall we?
You go, girl.
So, like I said, this is a 1-bedroom club level. The club is not open, which is fine. You come in, we have a nice little hallway here. And this is the closet, robes, safe. And then to the right is the bathroom. So, tub, shower, toilet. There is a mirror on the wall. And in this bathroom we have 2 sinks and a nice mirror and me. Nice little rug on the floor and dirty clothes basket. You've got lots of Disney amenities, shower cap, mouthwash, shampoo, conditioner, and dental kit, which is cool. Makeup mirror. So this is really nicely done. And then you come out here and this is the living area, which is beautiful. So there's a desk and a table here, 2 chairs. I'm assuming this is a pull-out couch for another guest. Let's just see. Yes, that is a sleeper sofa. We fixed that. And then 2 nice little lamps. And this is a credenza here, big TV with a DVD player. And this is storage on both sides. And there's a refrigerator. Drawers pull out. Let's see. Here we go. Nice pull out drawers. And then over here we have a little coffee station. Ice bucket, Keurig, and another lovely mirror. And a beautiful window with a dining table and 4 chairs. I'll show you the view out this window here. That's one of the pools out there. So this is what the living area looks like from here. And then you're gonna come through this way. There's nice vaulted ceilings. We're on the 4th floor. Really pretty vaulted ceilings. And come through here and there's a door and the bedroom. So there's a really beautiful lamp, vaulted ceilings in here again. Mirror and me again, lots of mirrors. This is a really big room. Pretty carpet and another closet. Another closet in here. There's a second door. So there's 2 doors into this place. And a second bathroom, which is amazing. So 2 sinks again. And then there's just a mirror image of the bathroom that's on the other side. So super duper pretty. And then come through here. There's like a padded bench for luggage, 2 queen beds, and very nice headboards. Center table with plugs and USB ports. And same over here. There's a nice storage here. No drawers, just shelves, but that's okay. DVD player in here as well, and plugs. And more plugs. And then you have a really pretty chair and a lamp in the corner. And then a little dormer balcony out here and a bob.
Hello.
Hello. So you can see the pool. You can still hear the boats.
Yeah.
So that's what the bedroom looks like from the balcony. Lots of lighting. Lights on either side.